Hello everyone and welcome to LearnTech. In this video I'll show to you guys how you can download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11. In order to download Google Chrome, we just need to open any browser that it is already installed in your computer, which can be Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge or even Firefox. In this case, I'm just going to use Microsoft Edge to download Google Chrome. So once you have opened your browser, you just search here, download Google Chrome. Then you just click over the first link, which is going to be google.com. But I will also put on the description below the link so you can come directly on the portal where you can download Google Chrome. And once you are here, you can just click over download Chrome and you will be able to download the latest version of Google Chrome. Once Google Chrome is downloaded, you just double click over the executable files and now the installation of Google Chrome will start. You can also browse to the folder where Google Chrome is downloaded in your computer and you just double click over it and the installation will start also in this way. So now the installation of Google Chrome has started. It's also downloading some files from Google. Last phase of Google Chrome installation. So here we are now. Google Chrome is installed in my computer and it's loaded, and now I can start using it. So basically that's all that you have to do in order to download and install Google Chrome in your computer. Thanks a lot for watching and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.